Hey guys, this is my new YouTube channel. This is going to be my first video ever made for YouTube. And I'm making this video today to show you why I think the price of Bitcoin is going to go to about $19,000. So let's talk about this. What I'm using here, as you can see these lines, there's two sets of them, that and this, and these are all connected, the gray, the green, the red, the purple, and the blue. That is the trend-based fib extension. So that was me drawing it from here up to here. So I was taking the last bull run, and that was to indicate where we are going to be going after this wave, and it makes sense. It looks accurate. And to show this tool works, I'm going to draw this for you as well. It's based on impulse waves. So from there to there, that's the first impulse wave after the drop from 20K, and it accurately showed the bottoming price of Bitcoin. And I understand you guys are going to look at this and say, well, what is this? Well, this was the hash war, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and Jihan Wu versus Craig Wright, essentially. And I believe that they sold a lot of Bitcoin during this time, which is what caused this abnormal pattern to happen. They did that to fund each side of the hash war. So anyway, let me delete this, even though I showed you that this did predict the bottom there, the first impulsive move. The true bottom would have actually been here, but that no one could have called that. So anyway, I drew the next trend-based fib extension from the bottom here to the top here, and that's what this one is. See how it lines up. So now that I got that out of the way, let's just look at what exactly the price action will be based on this. So the theory with the impulsive wave, and you can tell an impulsive wave by seeing how many resistance it just smashed through. This smashed through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major resistance levels, arguably 4.5. This one didn't really smash through, but it showed conviction. So that is why this is the red line right here. That is where we have to go through to continue going higher at this point in time. So generally speaking, when you hit this red line, you're going to retrace to this gray line right here. There's sometimes a little give, a little take. So we went down a little lower and we created a new bottom. And we are on our way up. We're going to maybe stop, pause for a second here, and we're going to retest this high. And if we break it with conviction, we're going to give buyers a new chance to enter along by coming down to 11,200-ish, which is the 0.25. And we're going to head higher at that point. We can stop here at 16,600. It's possible that the move will stop at the purple line at the 0.75, and it's also possible that the move is going to go right to its full extension. As with hype and crypto, it could even go a little bit above it, kind of like this one here went a little above where most people expected. But anyway, I think that we're going to go a little above, to be fair, with the excitement. Most people think if we break 20K, we're going to go above 20K and stay above there, and I don't think that's a reality. Crypto tries to screw over everybody that is not in the know. So we're going to correct after that. That's going to be enough. And we're going to come down to, I believe, the trend line right here that we have been making since the lows. Afterwards, we're going to be heading right upwards to $27,000. Some indicators that show and I believe contribute to my theory here is that you can check the volume on the side here. At $1,000, there's a lot of volume and support. Obviously, that was back in 2017. So we pretty much determined we're not coming back to here when we equaled the volume on 3 bars here around this range at 4,000 to 3,200-ish. So where's our next support? We just created support again with 3 massive volume bars on the side here at our current price, right? So what I think needs to happen at this time is that all of this up here needs to be filled. You know, like we can't really go past this area unless it all gets filled. So I think that we're going to have a couple choppy moments filling these bars up, and then we're going to head up. And like I said, we're going to fill up with a move up and a move down. We're going to fill up all of this so that these bars are all out here. The volume is all out here. The other thing that points towards this uptrend is, you know, if we look at back here when the stock RSI bottomed out, that we made a move, and when we went up, like we are proceeding here, it didn't move all at once. You can see like it was delayed, but when it reached the top, and by the end of it, before it became it started coming down, much like I predict is happening here, we're going to reach a similar move that is predicted by the trend-based fib extension. So after that, it's also going to reflect what it's doing. The RSI is making higher lows, and I believe that it's going to continue looking how it should for this pattern. We have right here, this is the TTM squeeze. It's not too relevant to this chart at the moment, but you can see that the momentum last time when it squeezed along, and if it squeezes along here, that would be super confirmation, but it squeezed along. It's when this red turned to green and there was a buy signal with the blue bars. So when this happened, we saw that Bitcoin just went fucking high, straight up. So right now with the momentum shifting from downward pressure to going upward pressure, I believe that shows that we are, yes, going to be going up to the predicted levels. That's pretty much actually the case I have for you right now. So my credibility, I guess I could link below my trading view. Every call I've made for the past 2 years has been pretty much point on, but I didn't even follow all of my own advice. So, you know, like I could have done things better. I could have listened to myself, but I didn't. The thing is, though, that nothing that I'm saying right now is guaranteed. And this isn't financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. So keep that in mind when you're trading. This isn't a trade setup. I haven't given anybody a trade setup right now. I've just shown you my prediction in the market. You got to find your own entries and your own exits. But at the end of the day, you make your own decisions, you make your own money, or you lose your own money. Remember that. See ya.